Thank y'all for joining in on ERC Printing Supplies YouTube channel. We're gonna go through a few supplies that we got for sale and buy-ins or whatnot. We're gonna go start off with the ordering policy. I'm gonna give y'all a few minutes to read that. Be sure to like and subscribe. ERCPRINTING.com. Also join the Facebook group. Give y'all just a minute or so to read over the policy. Okay, the first product we're gonna start off with the Sublimation mouse pad, 3mm starting at as low as $1.75 plus shipping. You get a free nurse and teacher file with the purchase. Be sure to check that out. We got the Sublimation bandana, starting as low as $2.25, size 22 by 22. Great for sublimation, great colors or whatnot. 100% polyester. Be sure to check that out as well. Alright, Sublimation coffee mugs. This is a black one right here with the white patch on it, so it's not the traditional white coffee mug or whatnot, but you know, it's a little something different. Be great to put family photos on or whatever you want to put on it. It's a sublimation item as well. The next item, we got the Sublimation rectangle keychains, starting out as low as 75 cents. Make sure you join the group, because you will miss out on the sale sometimes that we have quite often. We try to have ready to ship items if you catch them before they go out real quick. Definitely a hot item. Okay, what we got next? Okay, we got the stainless steel tumblers. You can sublimate on these. You don't have to put epoxy or whatever it's called on it. It's a stainless steel tumbler that you can sublimate on it. Starting out at $6.50. Be sure to get this item. Like and subscribe, ERCPRINTING.com. Join the Facebook group. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments or email us. Most definitely join the group for the latest updates. Okay, we got the regular sublimation coffee mugs, the standard white ones. They start out at $2.25, as low as $2.25. Regular coffee mugs. Be sure to check it out. You can sublimate all the way around, depending on the heat press you got or the sublimation machine or whatever you got. Okay. We got the 100% polyester tees. These are UTs. Great for sublimation. You can do sublimation on the whole t-shirt. Starting out as low as $2.50 when you purchase 10 or more. The pricing can change, so make sure you stay up to date on that. Ships in 3 to 5 business days. Good products. Been selling these quite a while. We're going to sublimation puzzles. 120 piece puzzles. Starting out as low as $2.50. Ships in 1 or 2 business days. Be sure to check for more information. See if they're in stock or how soon you can get them, or get a shipping quota or whatnot. Next item, we got the stainless steel tumbler. These are good for standard, like sticker vinyl, or some people put the epoxy on them, or however they put the little colors on them. You know what I mean? But these are good for that. Good stainless steel products. Starting out as low as $7.50. Like I say, 20 ounce. All right. Next item, we got the Sublimation canvas pillowcases, starting out at $3.50. This is like a brown natural look. $3.50 plus shipping, starting out at $3.50. So be sure to stay up to date on the prices on that. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit that bell. Next time we post a video or a tutorial, you'll be up to speed on it. Sublimation keychain, the circle ones, starting out as low as 75 cents. Great item. Gift items, whatever you want to do with it, but it's good stuff. Large tote bags, starting out as low as $4.50. We got plenty of colors in this. Sometimes these aren't the only ones that's listed that we do have, but be sure to ask about other styles or whatnot. $4.50 plus shipping, starting out, or maybe even lower. Maybe a sale. Be sure to stay tuned. Get them 100% cotton, small to extra large, $2.50 starting out. It'll beat any other company almost. We be sure to get that done. Small to extra large, $2.50 plus shipping. These come in a ton of different colors. Be sure to ask about it. Most likely the Gildan 5000. Okay, we got the Sublimation pillowcase. This is like a white silky, shiny, finished. Um, Come in a 5-pack for $20 starting out, but the price can change. You will receive a free PNG love file with the purchase, so make sure you contact us about this as well. We got heat transfer vinyl, 12 by 15, good for people who have a cameo silhouette. Um, all of those other smaller cutters that you may need, but any cutter if you got one that it'll fit in. 12 by 15, you can't beat it. These are easy weed, $3.25 plus shipping. Available in a lot of different colors, as you see, but there are others as well. Be sure to contact us for more information. Okay, next product, we got a microfiber rally towel, size 11 by 18, 85% polyester. That'll show up pretty good. Starting out as low as 75 cents when you purchase 20 or more. Be sure to tune in to catch the sales and deals on this item. They do sell out fast, so make sure you are subscribed. Join the Facebook group, most importantly. If not, email us and we can help you out. Square processing. Be sure to do this to get the free $1,000 processing, because every time you make a sale, a credit card company or a processing company, they do get a cut. So you can get $1,000 free processing with this link. SquareUp.com. Make sure you click the link in the bio. We will have it below for the Facebook group and this free $1,000 processing. Be sure to join and like and subscribe. We'll be back with another video. Sure to thank you for watching.